Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss the difference between departmental undertaking, public corporations and government company. So formation by the government in the form of government department. So departmental undertaking which formed by the government, and they will nominate, they will elect, they will appoint the ministry of concern for these departments. Public corporations, by passing a special resolution, special act in the parliament, after that public corporation can be started. And the government company can be formed by the Indian Companies Act 2013. Ownership, compulsory complete government ownership in departmental undertaking, and in public corporation there is also the complete government ownership. If I talk about the government companies, minimum 51% government ownership, and rest the private persons can also participate. Management, who will manage the department undertaking? So through the related ministry, just like if I talk about the railway department, so the Ministry of Railway is manage all the activities related to this department. Public corporations, through the directors nominated by the government, they will manage the public corporations. Private persons can also be the directors of the government companies. So financing, so capital subscription or funding, in departmental undertaking only government will contribute, and public corporations government will contribute, and government companies, both government and public both can contribute. So appointments, all the employees are government employees under the departmental undertaking. Public corporations and government companies, all the employees are not government employees. Separate legal entity, no separate legal entity in departmental undertaking. In public and government companies having separate legal entity. Next is administrative autonomy. No administrative autonomy in the departmental undertaking. Some administrative freedom is there in public corporations, and much administrative freedom is there in the operating activities. Suitability, where the secrecy is the paramount and private partnership is not necessary, only when the departmental undertakings are suitable. If I talk about the public corporation suitability, where public interest is of the utmost priority and much capital is required by the government. For this purpose, we will prefer the public corporations, and especially where economic activities are to be encouraged. In these cases, we will prefer the government companies. So here are some examples of departmental undertaking: Post and Telegraph Department, Indian Railways, Atomic Energy, Ordnance Factory. So these are the examples of departmental undertaking. Public corporations, LIC, RBI, and another government government companies, HMT, NFL, STC, Coal India. So these are the examples of government companies. Thank you so much.